It's a bit frustrating when a programming language that claims to be low-code doesn't give you the features or doesn't release all the features for all the components. The perfect example is the lack of pagination in the editable grids, even though the read-only grid already has it. Welcome to Low Code Lab. My name is Martin Camacho. I am an Appian architect, and in this channel, we see topics related to low-code technologies, development methodologies, databases, among others. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. In today's tutorial, I will show you a method to implement pagination in an editable grid. I hope this helps you. This paging system is inspired by the one that Appian offers us natively, therefore it will have the same capabilities. I mean, next and previous page, go to the end and beginning, button lock, show current page number, total pages and number of records per page. The first step is to have a data source. For this exercise I have a database table pre-populated with 200 plus records, as well as its CDT and the rules needed to consume it from Appian. For the algorithm you need some variables. Data, you must bring all the information at once. Batch size, the number of records you want to display for each page. Start index, controls the starting index for each page. Total pages, total number of pages, and it is used to control the pagination buttons. Current page, also helps us to control the pagination buttons. At this point the grid code begins. I will make the columns and information filling totally dynamic by using a CDT constructor, and will obtain the names of the fields with the keys function. Additionally, I am creating the rows in a similar way, where there is a text field for each property in the CDT. The primary key column is disabled since it is auto-generated when it is inserted into the database. With this data we will be able to display and control our elements in the grid. The trick is to display the elements within the range of each page. For example, if each page consists of 10 lines, the first will show the elements whose index is greater than 0 and less than 11 or greater than 1 and less than 10. Of course, both the page number and the range can be dynamic, so we must calculate it with a simple but effective logic. Let's proceed with the code of the Add New Row link. Once added a new record, the system automatically takes you to the last page. With the previous step, we were able to limit the elements to be displayed on each page. Now we will add functionality to the next and previous page buttons. The behavior is simple. The first thing is to increase or decrease the value of the index based on the batch size. We must consider that the previous page button must be deactivated when the current page is 1, and the next page button must be deactivated when we are on the last page. These last rules also apply to the last and first page buttons. The behavior of these buttons is also simple. The first page button sets the variable's value as 1, and the last page button sets the value as the total number of pages. Between the buttons we show feedback to the user, by showing the range of elements displayed on the current page. And in the grid we show the total records. In conclusion, the Appian-inspired pagination system offers a wide range of features that allow for a better user experience. Despite initial frustration with the lack of pagination in editable grids, we have achieved a useful, clean and functional result. So far today's tutorial, I hope it helps you. If you have any questions or would like some personalized advice, do not hesitate to contact me. See you in the next one.